and we are back. So we completed till cell 26. We got the output at 78. Moving on. So I'm printing my list underscore 2, which is 35, 45, 63, 78, 98 and 25. So now I'm going to show you something very, very crucial. Now what if I want to change what is lying on the on the fourth element? So 3 means 4, right? The fourth position. So here first of all I have to find out what is my fourth element. So that is 85. I'm printing and I want to I'm sorry. So it was 78. Now I want to change it. What I'm doing is I'm giving this equals to operator and I'm assigning a new number 85. So now no longer I want my fourth element to have 78, rather I want it to be replaced by 85. So once I do that, the next time when I print my list 2, I am no longer going to see 78 as the element on the fourth position. I mean the fourth element will no longer be 78, but it's going to be 85. And similarly you can actually do the positioning and indexing, and you can also do it separately and you will get an output of 85. Now bonus question, if a tuple is named my tuple underscore 3 and its second element is 80, if we say my tuple, which is the second element, means something that is lying on the third position, right? So second element, third position, I have 45. I want it to change to 45 from 80. So now my second element will now be 45, right? Do not get confused, position and element, right? Positioning is at what position, and element means what is the element. So when you want the element, it is always plus 1. So positioning would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that would be the fourth place, fourth position, but element will remain as the third one. So here I'm talking about the second element, right? So position will be 3, but element will be second. So now the element that is lying on the third position will no longer be 80, but it will be 45, right? Plain and simple. Now coming to something very, very crucial and important, what we told you at the beginning of the class, that when we have my tuple, the figures that we pass in my tuple cannot be changed. And why is that? Because it is designed in that manner. So if you have a bank balance, you do not want it to be played with, right? Because as human beings, we are forgetful and we do not remember things, and we do not want anybody to play with our money. So whenever a bank balance is passed by the bank people, it will be passed in a tuple. So if you try to change the positioning or you want to play with the element, it is not going to happen. You're going to get an error which says tuple object does not support item assignment. So if I say 2, that means is the second element, but it is lying at the third position. Second element but third position. So 1, 2, 3, position is this, but element would be 0, 1, 2. So second element 45 cannot be changed because it is a tuple. If it was a list, it could have been changed. Now we are ready for the next level of knowledge, where many lists are contained inside a list, or many tuples are contained inside a tuple. How do we index and manipulate such list or tuple? We will see that. Thank you.